Alright, what do we got for woodworking tools? We've got gloves, the CC 8-inch chainsaw, battery powered, did a video on it, will be linked below. BK7, raker folding saw. This is not a silky, this is called raker. I did a video on this. And then a Gorilla Survival bushcraft knife. Also did a video on this. I'll try to link them all for your viewing enjoyment. Unless you've already seen it, then don't worry about it. Let's get to work. So if you're wondering why I'm using it, why I bothered bringing a folding saw when I have the battery powered one, is because, well, I mean, let's be honest, battery powered saws can fail, but also the raker is my backup. So, well, my raker is my backup in case this thing fails, but also when I do my year with the gear, I'll actually have some real world footage to show you of me using it, but also I'll have a little experience under my belt using the saw in an outdoor setting. And you know, it's really not that heavy carrying it out here, so I had no problem at all bringing it out here. I mean, it's got a nice case, carry handle, everything else. That's unfortunate that CC seems to be gone. I looked them up on Amazon and they weren't available anymore, but there are other brands, but I can't purchase every saw and try them all. I don't have that kind of money. Alright, so I got the fire pit kind of swept out. Found elk poop in it, so thanks to the relatives of Mr. Bob, shout out to Gerbs, and unseen sister Kimmers. The wood is cherry birch, but it has 0 fire making properties. I think it can hold a coal if dry, but for making fire it won't take a spark, because I know I've tried. Unless there's some secret that I don't know about. So I got my fire lay, got my fuel. I don't really need a big fire because I'm literally just boiling water. So probably make a hot drink. Although it's kind of hot, I might skip the hot drink, but we'll see. We'll see. I might make it, but then let it sit and cool down, and then drink it. So let's see how we're gonna make some fire. Let's see what we got here. Well, I mean, I got a little bit of birch bark. I've got my fire kit. Actually, I brought a couple extra things too. Got a Fresnel lens, my sport business cards for my channel, which I'll just put aside. 2 ferro rods, just because, and I got some, I don't know, it's camera. Basically sunscreen. Getting a sunburn in the back of your neck really sucks. So, what else have they got in here? I got water filtration, got my cook pot. And I've got my grill, putting the pot on. Let's see. Got some fatwood in here. That would be kind of fun. Haven't done fatwood in a while. I could do the Fresnel lens with some birch bark. I got a little denim in here too. A nice big piece of paper birch. Maybe I'll do that with some Fresnel lens. That would be kind of fun. I got my Fresnel lens right here. See if I can find a good spot to get some sun. Let's see if we can get. I want you guys to be able to see. There we go. It's been a while since I've done this. Pick them up. The position I'm in is just not comfortable at all. Go, baby. Dang it. Alright, try from a lower angle. Yeah, I'm getting nothing. Probably not direct enough light. I think I can find a better spot. Alright. Concentrate. if I can't see it. Gotta be super precise. Come on. It's just not a comfortable position to be in. Alright, so I'm going to use the Dominator rod with the Gorilla Survival striker. It might have been a one and done. I'll have to check the footage. Yeah, some thoughts on the Fresnel lens while I was sitting here watching my fire. And that's, you know, what was I going to say? Well, one, I'm out of practice. I haven't used the Fresnel lens in it wasn't this year. It wasn't. I don't think it was last year either. It may be several years since I've used one. Which goes to show, you know, if you're going to carry a Fresnel lens in your, you know, emergency fire kit, you should get out and practice with it. And I hadn't been, so I had difficulty getting fire going because of it. Excuse me a second. Need a drink. You know, I was also thinking too, you know, with the Fresnel lens, the more technical it is to use, in my opinion, the least effective it will be when you need it. Like with a lighter, all I gotta do is strike it. Ferro rod, all I gotta do is strike it. But even then, the ferro rod itself too, you know, requires a little practice. I mean, yeah, I got a one and done, but it's also using paper birch. So paper birch is like the premium gold star tinder. I mean, I don't think I've ever not had birch bark go up. So, and I didn't even work that. I pulled it out of the bag. It's not like I sat there and worked it down into fine fibers. I just hit it and it caught the edge and it was going. I'll check the footage to see how many strikes it was. I think it was a one and done, but I think I struck again anyway because I think my hand was kind of over it, maybe. Man, how sweaty I am. Not really even that hot out here. I don't think I was working that hard. But nonetheless, enjoy my fire. Once it burns down a little bit, I can get my thing on, get my drink on, and then start thinking about lunch. Well, I'm not really super hungry. Now we'll see what happens.